Alright, I've got a box here. Let me clear that off my screen so I could just, kind of maybe like that. Sure. Oh, no, just. It's a box. It's very box-like, very man crate, might be TFT lore-ish. I might end up breaking this little thing. Before I, the fun is, I might run out of memory on my phone. Anything breaks it. Might be hilarious. No, gotta just work in there. Get the old loosen it. You know what I'm saying? Even the old, I don't know anymore. Let's see if I can get a picture of this. Even show. Yeah. A man crate. Prop that up against this box. Is there no... I guess there is no lighting to this. That's good. There was something here. I'm not really. It's got box size. That was a bit like right here. You see, it's got a weak spot. So once you know, kind of real weak spot, you can start pulling apart. See, just gotta damage it a little bit. You can show who's boss. Show them, crates. I have nothing on you. They're worthless to your advance. This is somewhat. Well, maybe I should have just tried from the top here. That's how it's gonna work. No, it might help just turn on the old light. And my phone fell down. Oh, here we go. Look at that. If I can. It's going to be harder to do this one-handed. Hey, Bub. Want to help make a video? Bub.
What?
You want to help make a video? Hey. I asked my little brother to help, so the video should look a little bit better. You could open this, Bub? The little crowbar.
No, I can't. I'm sorry, guys, I can't.
He can't hardly open much either.
I'm not too strong.
He's not the incredible Herculean might.
This is my bruh bub. Opening of a box.
See?
He's
making a little progress here.
opening up Hercules.
Opening up Hercules.
Yeah, Hercules. Make it interesting.
Surgery on Hercules.
This is Hercules in the box. We're trying to get Hercules out.
And he'll get a little bit of the prize.
Yep.
Maybe a spicy.
The spicy noodles. I can.
We got some real man work happening.
We got it's been 12 minutes.
Yep, that was just me fiddling with the camera.
Oh. Oh boy, that was loud.
Splinters all over this.
Well,
And
he's opening up a box. Just like a real man.
you know, I think I should just go like this.
We don't know what's in there, guys.
I think it's beef jerky. So, once you like this.
It said you got Yahoo Mail on your phone.
Yep. Sometimes I get the Yahooist mail around, provided by Yahoo.
Yep.
And you know, sometimes you get some Google mails. Sometimes you
Get Luigi mails.
Mail.com mails, you know?
Mails the mails.
Alright.
Okay, he is still opening it. Like,
I feel like I'm gonna break.
I bet that is a tough, guys, I think that's a tough box. He's opening it. He's opening it. Making progress. He opened up the box!
Now we gotta do the uncrating after that took like 1 year to do.
But, it was like about a couple minutes. See?
A little bit.
Look at this, guys.
Jerky.
Guys, look at this.
Look, that's.
See, guys, let me zoom in so you guys can see. It's
Crockett Creek homestyle flavor, original elk jerky. You gotta follow along, you know.
Yeah, it looks good, guys. Do you guys like it?
Write a comment below
if you like it.
If you think that would be good. There's some root beer and habanero wild boar strips.
Wait, let me see. Zoom in here. Okay, it is. Wow. You guys like it, don't you? Leave a comment if you guys like that. Is there anything else?
It's pretty good.
What else do we got?
We got some venison jerky.
Let's zoom in so everybody can see it. It's kind of a little small. Trophy series version jerky. Oh, that's cool.
Yes, it's gonna be pretty good.
Yeah, comment below if you like that flavor. And the others. They are happy to see.
Honey bourbon.
Wait, let's zoom in so
Bourbon
because they can't see it from far away.
Yeah, you can tap on it to kind of sharpen the image so you can read it. Like if you tap on the text.
Tap on the text, like tap on it.
Just yeah, where you want it to sharpen in or focus on.
They could just see it like this.
Yeah.
Well,
see, you just look up and down.
Yeah, they like. If comment below if you like that, too. Let's see what else.
Air dried beef. Beef built-in smoke.
Wait.
You want to look at that?
That's all black.
When you live an active lifestyle, both in and out of the gym, you need a wholesome snack that goes the distance. All natural with high quality top.
Wow, it's black and white.
There's simply no match for the built on. Never settle, always strive on.
Wow. Comment below if you like that kind of jerky.
We got a bunch of slimmy gems here. Oh wait, this is some ostrich sticks. There's some maple duck, some beef and peasant. Look at all that.
Look at all that, everybody. We have another one.
Some Buffalo Bob's elk.
You comment below if you like all those flavors.
Comment below if you don't, I guess. I'm gonna be trying them later, I guess.
So I guess
Maybe
it's,
off camera. I don't think I want to record myself eating.
I guess it's the end of the video. And
Like,
like and
like
subscribe.
if you like unboxings,
Like and
if you like terrible commentary, and like if
You like the
you
video.
you like things, you know, like it if you dislike
Yeah.
it.
And subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to my second channel where I might not do this again because I don't get a lot of boxes.
Okay. Bye guys. We'll have to do another video sometime, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Bye.
Yeah.
Say bye, bub.
Bye.